seal the carpet and control airflow so paint fumes and drips never become a lasting problem. Start by choosing a low volatile organic compound paint labeled for interior trim to reduce fumes and off-gassing. Remove as much dust and debris from the baseboard and carpet edge with a vacuum and a damp cloth so paint adheres cleanly and you avoid trapping grit under the finish. Create a reliable barrier by tucking a thin piece of cardboard or a painter-S shield under the baseboard and laying a low-tack painter-S tape along the carpet edge. Press the tape down firmly with a putty knife to prevent seepage. Work in small sections of about 1 to 2 feet so you can back roll or brush smoothly and clean excess before it drips onto fibers. Use a high-quality angled sash brush and load it with a modest amount of paint to maintain control and reduce runs. Keep a damp rag and a small disposable container of water nearby to immediately blot any stray marks on the carpet before they set. Maintain airflow by opening windows on opposite sides of the room or running a fan toward an exterior vent to move fumes out while you work, and continue ventilating for several hours after you finish. Common mistakes include overloading the brush, which causes drips onto the carpet, so use smaller brush loads and wipe the brush on the trim edge before painting. Another is poor tape adhesion that lets paint seep under, so clean the carpet edge and press tape firmly with a flat tool. And finally, inadequate ventilation that leaves lingering odor, so run cross ventilation and consider a box fan in a window pointing out to accelerate air exchange. If a drip does occur, blot with a damp cloth immediately and avoid rubbing, which spreads the stain. For tape bleed, lift the tape while the paint is wet at a 45-degree angle to get the cleanest edge. And if fumes remain, continue ventilating and place bowls of white vinegar or baking soda in the room overnight to help absorb odors. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and provide practical project guidance related to paint odor control and mess reduction. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and help contractors find work and homeowners find reliable help.